Hi, I'm Daniel Granger, Joico Ambassador and part of the European design team. I'm a salon owner near London and been hairdressing for 17 years. Myself and clients are always after the latest tools to use in salon and at home. Let me introduce you to the Joico Styler. So what makes the Joico Styler unique? Well, it's equipped with a fuel reservoir, which needs to be filled with the Joico K-Pack Vapor Fuel. Controlled heat transforms the fuel liquid into vapor, whilst vented plates release the vapor to let the styler glide over the hair with ease, deeply infusing the hair with nourishing ingredients. Actually, you style and reconstruct in one. Now that we know that, let's look at the design and features of the Joico Styler. Firstly, to allow us to look at the features, we need to unlock it using the button here. This is great for storing and after use. As you can see, the styler has vented ceramic plates. Why ceramic? Ceramic oil-based nano diamond coating ensures optimal temperature for optimal styling and creates a smoother surface to allow the styler to glide over the hair with ease. On top of this, we have a tourmaline coating, which ensures the air around the hair contains negative ions. Now this breaks down the moisture molecules, helping it penetrate deeper into the hair. It also features a variable temperature gauge, starting at 150 degrees Celsius for fine and chemically treated hair, and up to 210 Celsius for very thick, coarse hair. There's a temperature for every hair type. You can also use the styler without the vapor function on, but this is what makes the styler unique, so it would be a shame. So the vapor setting can be set to low or high, depending on how much nourishing your hair needs. A few important notes about the reservoir, which is located on the top of the styler. Never remove fuel reservoir when the styler is hot. Always wait until it's cold. Then we have the Joico K-Pack Vapor Fuel. This is a unique blend of quadramine complex to help reconstruct. The K-Pack's exclusive hair protection system uses lightweight, water-soluble silicones to add smoothness and shine. The styler is developed and tested to be used with this specific fuel, so it does not clog or break. Do not use water or any other fluid. Filling the reservoir is a very easy process. Simply pull back on the reservoir's release button and remove the reservoir. Then pull back on the rubber reservoir cap and fill the hole with K-Pack Vapor Fuel and close it again when filled. Then press down on the reservoir until you hear it snap into place. We are now ready to start, so let's switch on the power. It takes approximately 10 seconds for the styler to heat up. What's also handy to know is that the styler includes an auto shut-off feature, which means the styler turns off automatically after 60 minutes of non-use. So thank you so much for watching. Now please do check out joicoeurope.com and joicostyler.com. I'm Daniel Granger saying goodbye and thank you.